chickens carefully while their parents haul baskets of ingredients towards central cooking pits. Smoke spirals upward in gentle ribbons, mingling with the rising mist. Under the shade of the baobab, drummers sit cross-legged, testing the tension of their skins. Slap, tap, tighten, each beat a whisper of the rhythm to come. Conversations hum low, and the air is filled with birdsong, nature adding its own music to the prelude of the festival. The village stares, alive, sacred, ready. Mama Zuri stands quietly at the edge of the main square, her eyes tracing the sky as if reading time from the wind. Her neck is adorned with layers of turquoise beads, each one a memory. She gently adjusts them, then grips her carved staff, a symbol of her place as the village's living library. Nearby, Kofi crouches beside a reed basket. He is gentle, always watching, always listening. His fingers move with care, selecting each color of reed with the precision of a master